Today I'm teaching you how to do the gunshot tutting tutorial. It's pretty easy if you do it step by step. There's one part in the middle that's harder than most of the other parts, but I got it pretty easy by watching all the videos over and over and over again on TikTok. So here we go. So first, what you start with is you look up and the lady says, "Don't be scared." You go boom, boom, boom. Take this, okay? Circle around, grab your wrist. Then you go rotate, rotate. Your thumb is your trigger. You go shoot, shoot, shoot. You make a plus sign. Then you make an X to show your vase. Okay, let's do that one more time. Don't be scared. Bum, 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 bum. Trigger, 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 plus X to reveal your face. Okay, now you drop your elbows. You circle around and make a rectangle. Then you take your hands and you make it flat. Slide, turn. Okay? Remember, rectangle, flat, slide, up, and twist. Then you do something called the I love you in sign language, or I guess, like, that's I love you, but we're doing that, so I guess it's rock out. So boom, 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 I love you, finger guns, slide, one finger gun, slide, then show your eyes. Okay, let's do that one more time. Bum, 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 bum. I'm going way too fast, but do. Sorry, even I messed up. Okay, I think you get the picture. Then when you're at this, okay, you circle out. Okay, then you go boom, boom, up, drop down. Connect, connect, and reveal your eyes. Final shot. Okay, let's do it all again. Ready? And don't be scared. I did it wrong. Embarrassing. So, don't be scared. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. Bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. And circle for shot. I hope you remember what to do next. Boom, 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 and drop it. Connect, connect, reveal your eyes. Final shot. Well, anyways, that is it. Gunshot tutting. I really hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Bye. Bye.